Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.4 question number 2. Write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. In question number 1, we have already solved, and in that question, we have got terminating decimal expansion for the subdivisions 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So for those subdivisions, we have to find the decimal values. So for the first subdivision, we have got 13 by 3125. If we do prime factorization for the q value, we will be getting 5 to the power 5. So we have to find the decimal value. So for finding the decimal value, I am going to bring the denominator part in terms of tens. So what I am going to do is I am going to multiply 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. So we know rational numbers with terminating decimal values will be of the form 5 to the power m into 2 to the power n. So what I am going to do is I am multiplying with the same power which 5 has. So 5 has the power 5. So I am multiplying 2 with the same power 5. So I will be having 13 into 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Now 5 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. So we have studied in the exponents. So what we can write is 5 into 2 the whole power 5. Now if we multiply, we will get 416. This can be written as 10 to the power 5. So now 416 by 1 followed by 5 zeros. So we have to find the decimal value. So this is in the fractional form. So we have 5 zeros. So we have to place the decimal point after 5 places. So here we have 3, that is ones, tens and hundreds. So what we have to do is we have to put 2 zeros and then we have to keep the decimal place since we have 5 zeros in the denominator. So our decimal value is 0.00416. In the next subdivision, they have given 17 by 8. So 17 by 2 cube. So we know that terminating decimal expansion will be in the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. So I have cube 2 to the power 3. So what I am going to do is I am going to multiply with the same power, that is I will be multiplying both the numerator and the denominator with 5 cube. So when I multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 5 cube, I will be getting 17 into 125 by 2 into 5 the whole cube. So when I multiply 17 and 125, I will be getting 2125 and this 10 to the power 3. So 2125 divided by 1000. I have 3 zeros and I have to place the decimal after the 3 digits. So ones, tens, hundreds. So 2.125 is the answer. In the fourth subdivision, they have given 15 by 1600. So we can write 1600 as 16 into 100. So 16 is a perfect square, that is we can write it as 4 square. So 15 by 4 square into 10 square. but we want the denominator value in terms of 2. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write this 4 square, that is 4 in terms of 2. So I will get 15 by 2 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 2. Now I have the power of 2 as 4. So what I have to do is, I have to multiply 5 with the same power in both the numerator and the denominator. So I will get 15 into 5 to the power 4 by, we have 2 into 5 the whole power 4 into 10 square. We have 2 into 5 the whole power 4 into 10 square. So 15 into 625 by 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 2. So I will get 9375 by 10 to the power 6. So I have to write it as 1 followed by 6 zeros. So I have to place the decimal value after 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I will do is, I will add 2 zeros. So 0.009375. The next sum is the 6th subdivision. They have given 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. So here for the 2 I have the power as 3, and for 5 I have the power as 2. So in all these sums what we have done, we have made the power of 2 and 5 as same. So what I am going to do is, I am going to multiply the numerator and the denominator with 5. So I will have 23 into 5 by 2 cube into 5 cube. So I will have 23 into 5 by 10 to the power 3. 115 by 1000. So we have to place the decimal value after 3 digits. So I will have 0.115 as the answer. 6 by 15. 8th subdivision is 6 by 15. So when I simplify, I will get 2 by 5. 2, 3 2 times and 3 5 times. So I will have 2 by 5. So this can be written as 2 by 5 into 2 to the power 0. But for the 5 value, I have the power as 1. So what I am going to do is, I am going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 2. So I will have 2 into 2 by 5 to the power 1. The base is same, so we can add the powers. So we can write 2 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 1 as 2 to the power 0 plus 1. So I will have 2 to the power 1. So we will have into 2 to the power 1. So 4 by 10, that is 0.4. We can write it straight away, but we have marks for the steps. So we have to write the steps and bring it in the form of decimal. In the 9th subdivision, they have given 35 by 50. So when we simplify, 5 7 times, 5 10 times. So 7 by 10. This is already in terms of tens. So I can straight away write the decimal value. We have 1 0 and we can place the decimal after the 1 digit. So 0.7 is the answer. In the next video, we will be covering the question number 3. Thank you.